Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender 5.1 how to add vertex. So we have this example cube object, and if you want to add vertex, you can go to edit mode and then use the vertex selections. Now I will add the vertex in between the two vertex. You can select here, press shift button to select multiple objects, and right click, use the subdivide. So to be create the new vertex between the two vertex selected. If you want to increase the vertex number, you can go to subdivide menu and then you can increase number of cut here. Click outside to apply. So I will create again. So you can select these two vertex and then use subdivide to create. And if you want to connect between the vertex, you can select like this and then go to the vertex menu and then click connect vertex path. So to be connect between the two vertex. I will click again at this point and go to vertex menu, click connect vertex path. Okay, that's it for basic Blender 5.1 how to add vertex.